welder, and I've been here since November of 2016. I went to weld school when I was in the military, and really I haven't looked back since. There's a lot of creativity with what we do. I tell people I'm a welder, and they say, "You like doing that?" And I'm like, well, yeah. It's kind of fun because you put your hood down and you go to work and no one's bugging you. You're doing your own thing, and as long as you're doing a good job and you're producing a good product. Working for a smaller company, you're not a number. You're a name. You know everybody from top to bottom in the company. Care about your well-being and your home life, and that you're happy coming into work and you're happy leaving work, and you do your job safely. Safety is always top of the list. It's the most important thing. It's a family environment here, and that we don't mind doing stuff together outside of being clocked into work. Most places I've ever worked, we always like to come in early because we like to get off early. And we have families, like I go pick up my 2 kids. The managers are all very flexible here. It's if I need to leave because someone's sick, like one of my kids are sick, I'm out the door within 2 minutes. So no one complains. It's family first here. I know specifically with the weld culture, we have a high standard. The biggest thing we always say is that the salesmen get the first job, but the weld department, they bring in the second job from that company. And once we give them high quality work, we show them what we can do, they always want to come back. So we take pride in our work, and I know that the welders we have now, we all kind of, I guess you can say, we compete with each other, trying to outdo each other, trying to do better work, Like no one ever wants to be the weakest link, so we're always trying to put down the best quality we can. We don't want to put work out that we're not proud of.